I only cried like twice. No, only once.
Twice.
I only cried twice. We're at the airport. The one and only DIA. Have you heard the rumors about them?
The rumors?
I guess not. It's 7:37. We're supposed to leave at, I guess, 8:28. We're gonna board at 8:28. And then we'll board Santa's sleigh at
2 a.m.
Yep. These were my airport snacks of choice today. And yeah. Hello?
Hey!
Hi! What you doing?
We're out in the blizzard!
Let me see.
You see us?
Yes, I see you. Oh my gosh.
No, there's no other...
One other person we saw.
So, one other person.
Yeah?
Brenda has snowshoes and Dad's thinking.
He's-
really deep.
Really?
Taking a
Oh.
break under this tree, which is gonna fall on us.
Oh, good, good.
We're at Kingsgate. We're like down the street from Christ the King.
Oh my gosh. So nobody's doing anything for Christmas anyways, really. Well, Christmas Eve. Because everyone's gonna be at their house.
Yeah, pretty much. And
Wow.
I'm probably even not gonna get back to Colorado on Monday.
Yeah. What a day. So Brett, how are the snow pants?
They're really nice, thank you.
You're welcome.
They've got built-in suspenders.
Oh, good. So it was like, it's been so cold, but it's so nice today. First of all, I look crazy, but you guys do too.
Aaron.
Yeah, Iron's driving.
Hey.
We're going to the gym because that's what we like to do. So, and we're not doing anything till later. Good morning, Colorado.
Okay.
So, I vlogged at the airport with my cousin about 20 minutes before the flight was canceled. So then I've gone through the 7 stages of Christmas grief. Just kidding. I was fine. I only cried like twice. No, only once.
Twice.
I only cried twice, and then like, it is what it is. We're having a great Christmas and day. We had a great day yesterday with some of his family, and now we're gonna go to the gym. It's Christmas Eve. I just FaceTimed my parents, which you saw, and they're in the Buffalo blizzard, and they're just like, Buffalo is just one big snow globe at this point, and it's really nice here today. So we're gonna go to the gym. We're actually here because, you know, I always say in my videos, oh, we're gonna go to the gym, and you never see us at the gym. Okay, I didn't take a picture, but do we look like we went to the gym? Show this. Do you have any sweat left?
I'm probably on my back.
No, we're good. We sweated a little, okay? Oh, it's my watch is still running. Bam.
So,
No, because then they're gonna come find us.
don't know which one it is.
Ta-da! This Christmas is sponsored by...
It's people in line.
This day. Okay, so I was supposed to, I think I said this, right? I was supposed to go to my family in Buffalo, but there's a huge blizzard, and like my brother, I don't even know if he's gonna be able to be back from, get back from. I mean, he will be, but like, it's a huge blizzard right now. So now I'm in Colorado still, at my house, which is totally fine. So I've just been doing stuff with Iron's family, my boyfriend, who you've seen a million times in these vlogs, and chilling and doing it like that. But now that like I'm gonna be here, like he was only doing something on Christmas Eve, so now I ran and got his siblings some presents so that like we're opening presents tonight, and I want them to have something because I'm gonna be there and everything, and just have it be really nice. And then tomorrow's actual Christmas, and I'm me and Iron, like, we had no food at my house, like, because I was supposed to leave and all that stuff. So we just went to, first of all, Five Below is the best. It's so underrated, especially the ones in Denver. So we went there and I got really like cute stuff. And then I'm like, I'm just gonna park right here. And then we went to Walmart to get like groceries and a few other things. And now we're gonna run to Whole Foods because, well, I love Whole Foods and I love Walmart and I love Target. These are like my go-tos. But we're gonna run to Whole Foods so we can get like better produce and stuff. But we're gonna make, well, tonight we're having stuff his mom's making. So we're having like mac and cheese, greens, cornbread, and banana pudding for dessert, and it's gonna be so good. I'm like so excited. And then tomorrow we're gonna make French toast, actually. And then tomorrow we're gonna make cinnamon sugar French toast with strawberries and bananas. Really good coffee. So we got oat milk with my Nespresso, and Iron had to go in and return something because we left it in the car, but literally the back of the car is full of bags. And it's so funny because I'm like I feel like I'm not the person to run around on Christmas Eve and like do the most, but it's honestly fun. But yeah, I'm gonna have a snack and wait for him to come out. Then we're gonna go to Whole Foods. Colorado Christmas. Yeah.
Lift my leg like she is.
Yeah.
Ooh.
No,
Tickle.
tickle in the armpit. By the fire. Oh, we gotta put our game over there. Ooh, looking good. The little ornaments.
Brown sugar.
I know, I was just doing your little French toast one. Ooh, looking so
good.
good.
I'm like,
Merry Christmas.
Rice Krispies. What you think?
You like that?
No words. That's how good they are.
Speechless. Yum. Oof, what a pour.